Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious hummus step by step. Begin by draining cooked chickpeas and reserving some liquid. Add 3 tablespoons tahini, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 1 tsp salt, and a generous drizzle of olive oil. Blend until smooth, adding chickpea liquid for desired consistency. Taste and adjust lemon, salt, or garlic. Finish with a drizzle of olive oil and a sprinkle of paprika for presentation. I will show a simple trick to improve hummus texture quickly. For extra silkiness, peel a portion of chickpeas or use reserved chickpea liquid instead of too much water. Pulse the blender and scrape down sides between blends to ensure everything becomes evenly creamy. Add olive oil gradually to enrich the mouthfeel. Small adjustments in blending time and liquid amount make a big difference in final texture and spreadability. I will show how to vary flavors to keep hummus exciting. For a smoky version, add roasted red peppers or roasted garlic before blending. For a spiced hummus, include 1 tsp cumin and an extra clove of garlic. For fresh herby notes, stir in chopped parsley or top with za'atar and toasted pine nuts. Always taste and tweak lemon, salt, or olive oil to balance flavors to your liking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.